Thanks again for joining me today, Friday the 19th of July 2024. From our studios in Jamaica, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. Let's begin by taking a look at what's going on in the Atlantic. We have been monitoring this tropical wave here, whose axis has already passed the Les Antilles, bringing some scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms to some of the islands of the Les Antilles, and also another tropical wave out in the far eastern tropical Atlantic expected to approach the area within the next 7 days. Tropical cyclone formation is not expected in the Atlantic within the next 7 days. Now, looking at the moisture associated with these systems, the significant moisture associated with the tropical wave has already passed Dominica or some islands of the Les Antilles, with an area of slight moisture expected to move through the area during tonight. And looking over here, you can see the moisture associated with that second tropical wave expected to approach the area within the next 7 days. Now, taking a look at the Saharan dust. Most of the Saharan dust has been removed from the atmosphere in this region of the Les Antilles due to the presence of moisture associated with that tropical wave. However, following the passage of that tropical wave, we expect to see an increase or a significant increase in Saharan dust. Therefore, we're advising people with respiratory sensitivities to exercise extreme caution and avoid complications. Also, we can see another area of removal of dust due to the presence of that second tropical wave. Looking at satellite imagery, clearly we can see the convection associated with that first tropical wave, which moved across the area during the last couple of hours, and also the other tropical wave out in the Atlantic expected to approach the area within 5 to 7 days. So this is the area of moisture that I've been speaking about, where we expect to see a slight increase in convection during tonight. Now, looking at the rainfall projection based on moisture, so we can see some lingering moisture across the islands expected to continue during tonight, bringing an increasing cloudiness with a few scattered showers. However, by tomorrow morning, we expect to see a gradual drying out of the atmosphere as this tropical wave pulls away from the area. Now, looking at earlier radar imagery, some areas of showers which moved across Dominica today. This resulted in cloudy skies and also a few scattered showers, and pockets of isolated thunderstorms can be seen mainly across the southern portion and extreme northern portion of the region. Tonight's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to occasionally cloudy with a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms, and tomorrow's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to occasionally cloudy with a few scattered showers. Winds expected to be coming from the northeast at about 35 kilometers per hour. That's tomorrow, Saturday. Sea conditions expected to be slight to moderate, with waves peaking near 7 feet. High tide will be at 1:55 a.m. and 3:47 p.m. and low tides will be at 9:18 a.m. and 8:09 p.m. Looking at conditions for Sunday into Tuesday, an improvement in conditions can be expected by Sunday and Monday, with winds basically coming from the southeast, northeast to southeast at about 30 kilometers per hour. However, by Tuesday, we expect to see an increase in cloudiness with a few scattered showers due to the presence of a weak trough. Temperatures expected to peak 34 degrees Celsius on Sunday, down to 32 degrees Celsius by Tuesday. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:44 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:49 p.m. Please remember that we are in the hurricane season, and remember, safety comes first. See you next week. Have a good one.